Good morning. The bulls are turning optimistic after a day's breather and will most likely resume their shopping spree as healthy global cues remain the inspiring trigger. It's time to get realistic and not really pessimistic as the budget-inspired rally in recent days do not make valuations too compelling. Take it stock by stock rather than get swayed by the daily movement in the key indices. Small cap and mid cap stocks may extend Thursday's rally, but weigh your risk-reward ratio well while dealing with this pace. Nifty is entering consolidation period. For the day, Nifty could face resistance at around 5,140 and support is found at 5,050 on the lower side. We expect a firm start which should well hold till the end of the day. Monthly US job data is the key global event to watch out for the day. US stocks advanced with the Dow Jones returning into the positive zone for the year due to encouraging reports on retail sales and initial jobless claims. Across the Atlantic, the picture was mixed in Europe as two of the region's top central banks remained committed to ultra-low rates. The Bank of England and the ECB left rates unchanged, even if the data showed that the Eurozone economy barely grew in the last quarter of 2009. Japan led Asian shares higher this morning after reports that Bank of Japan will likely consider further monetary easing. FIIs were net buyers in the cash segment on Thursday at Rs 6.34 billion on a provisional basis, while the local funds were net sellers of Rs 6.36 billion, according to figures published on the NSE's website. Greece's 10-year bond offering was heavily oversubscribed, signaling strong interest from investors only after a day that the nation decided to take additional severity measures to lower its excessive fiscal deficit. A top official at the People's Bank of China said that the central bank plans to stick to its moderately loose monetary policy stance while remaining vigilant against overly fast inflation. The recommendations for the day are: Bhushan Steel buy at current market price of Rs 1,740 for a target of Rs 1,810 and a stop loss is to be maintained at 1,715. India Bulls Real Estate. High-risk traders are recommended to buy the stock in the range of between 171 to 175 for a target of Rs 185 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 166. On the F&O side, long IFCI Mart future at Rs 54.30 for a target price of Rs 57 and a stop loss is to be placed at 53.30 and for a lot size of 7,880. And long Aurobindo Pharma Limited Mart future at Rs 959 for a target of Rs 980 to 1,000 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 949 for a lot size of 700. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.